Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can extract the audio of your video in VN app. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to open the VN app. So I'm going to open the VN. Let's click on this, and after clicking on this, as you can see, the VN will be open. Now simply we have to click on the plus icon. So let's click on the plus icon. After clicking on this, we have to click on the new project, and after clicking on the new project, we need to choose the video, that which video you want to use. For example, I'm going to use this one, so let's select this, and after selecting this, we have to click on the next, and after clicking on the next, now as you can see the video is here. Now simply what we have to do, we have to scroll this, and after scrolling this, as you can see here, you will be able to see the extract audio option. So we have to click on the extract audio, and after clicking on the extract audio, as you can see, you will be able to see the audio here. So if you want to delete the audio, duplicate the audio, lock the audio, and replace beats and option, if you want to see the options, you can also do that. As you can see, these are the audio settings. So in this way you can extract your audio, and these options are provided. If you want to use them, you can also do that. If you want to delete the audio, create a duplicate of your audio, or the log the audio, or replace the audio, and fade in, other options are also provided. So in this way you can extract the audio of your video in VNA. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.